KFC. If you want to go to club, you'll call your friends or WhatsApp them. They'll tell you what's happening, and you'll get an Uber. It's so easy. Life is very easy.
It's been tough looking for a job. It's hard generally for me.
You might be at a job, and you might find it taken tomorrow.
If there's a farming opportunity, I'll take it on.
You finish this. I've not yet forked. I've only forked from there.
I fear being on a farm.
Oh, Liz crying.
I'd rather try and fail than think of failing before trying. I think it would be fun. I can't do this anymore.
This is what it takes to be at the farm.
Like Kampala, when it comes to opportunity, the workforce is big and the opportunities are this thin. Even the ones that have graduated have no jobs.
These are my graduation photos. This is the one I took with Mom, and this is actually like 3 years ago. This was the best day of my life. The mere fact that I had graduated, I had hope that I would get a job real quick, but it turned out to be the exact opposite.
I am a trained biotechnology engineer, but I work in the telecom industry. You might be at a job, and you might find it taken tomorrow. It could happen. There is no guarantee.
When I went into the job market, it kind of like was very, very, very hard for me. Till now, I'm still struggling for a job. No. I don't know what to say right now, so.
My mom is into farming. She grows some green pepper, she has some coffee seedlings, she does watermelon sometimes.
I think we should get black soil and put on each and every plant because they grow bigger.
My mom loves matoke a lot, and she used to buy that. She just woke up one day and she's like, why am I buying this? Why don't I grow mine? I have land. A few years from then, she had her own matoke.
My wish is for you to get a job. I have your siblings of whom I am supposed to pay fees, tuition, so it's hard for me. I find it a problem.
I've got an opportunity to try out farming for a few days somewhere, so I was thinking I should go there and see how it goes. Do you mind me going to a farm and working there?
I don't mind, it's fine. I find it very okay.
We're definitely headed to the countryside. I've seen children going to school barefoot, and people have like solar panels on their roofs, and 1 electricity bulb per house, and so much matoke.
Right now, I presume we're in Brakai, and I'm really excited to be here because it's the farthest I've been in Uganda, actually.
I have no network.
It's green vegetation, but because of the dust, it looks kind of like brownish all over the place.
Oh my God, no. Thank God you're not living in the huts. Would have been traumatizing.
I was born a farmer. I was born into a family that farms. We grew up farming. The money for the school fees came from farming. Everything that made us up was from farming. So I started this goat farm. What it takes to be a successful farmer, in my view, it takes a lot of passion, a lot of hard work, and patience. Basically, if you're a person who has hypertension, please don't go into farm. You have an early death.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. My name is Lee.
Ronnie.
Ronnie. The first few days will be very tough if I end up on a farm that has animals. But there are lots of cows already. I don't have a pet. God, they're coming towards us. Oh my God. Oh my God. My legs are going to break.
Don't be scared.
I fear all animals.
I have a small project up country. I have a few goats and 2 pigs. They'll move up, don't worry. I don't know much about goats as such, because in most cases I'm not there. We have someone who looks after them.
The first time I met my new recruits, I felt like they were jokers, especially the girl. She came dressed like she was going to the beach. Ron looked so tired, so I knew I was not going to get anything out of them.
I'm seeing a lady up front.
It's not farm dress.
What?
Yeah, we are going to change into something for the farm.
Okay.
Yeah. Ron is done.
How do I look?
He's looking smart.
Hey.
I tried matching my pants with the boots. Didn't come out well.
You're smart though.
You're smart.
Thank you.
We have around 300 goats.
All right.
Of different breeds. First activity in the morning, to identify the sick goat. A limping goat, a goat with ruffled hair, a goat with diarrhea, a goat with mucus. Those are the kind of goats I want you to look out for.
This looks sick. That. And it's even limping.
Let's start with that. Can you please, don't be scared. Try it out. Lee, I don't want tears. Get it, run for it, run.
It's running.
Run faster and get it. I want that goat here.
I can't grab a goat. It has run. You're at a farm to learn. So when she tells you, catch a kid, you have to. It's on your reputation, you know. You don't want to be known as the person who failed. You feel responsibility because some of these kids are so sick. If I don't help this kid get treatment, he's probably going to die. This goat.
Lee, listen, come. You know when you're farming, you're supposed to work as a team, okay? You cannot hold that goat alone, so you come and help Ronnie.
This goat is underweight. It's not getting the point.
No!
Don't lose it. It must be treated.
Lee, this is all because of you. Lee, she's not taking this serious. And the more she delays us here, we have a lot of work to do in the farm.
No one is helping me.
Don't give up. Lee, don't give up. Teamwork was missing here. They should have worked as a team. Get it. They are very lovely goats. They don't bite. Unfortunately, Lee is still afraid of the goats.
I give up.
because this one is the one.
This is the other side of our goat pen.
Yeah.
And the goat spent a night here.
Okay.
So our task, we are going to sweep this goat pen clean.
Why is it so important to clean this pen?
It is important to sweep this pen because when you leave this pen dirty, the goats will fall sick. I'm going to make them do it till when they finish it. This is a task that must be completed within a day. The goats should sleep in a pen which is clean, not dirty. There's no compromise about that.
Oh my God. Ronnie, you have to do it slowly. It's going to my side.
My stuff is still right here.
I say so.
Ronnie and Lee, do it faster before the goats come back. They're about to come back for their evening snack.
This is really tiresome, honestly. But I would rather do the farming than being at the game parlor because the game parlor, the money, it's not sustainable. So I would rather do this and mint money. It's part-time, doesn't earn me much. It's just upkeep money, airtime and stuff. I'm a bit depressed because it's frustrating not having work to do. It's actually tiring in a way, psychologically and physically.